How to add appointment booking to Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, just log into your Squarespace website, and then from this main dashboard, you simply want to click on the scheduling options or option right here, which is basically just going to take you to Acuity scheduling, which is the core scheduling, you could say, website or service, which is by Squarespace themselves. So once you actually end up in this page, you're just going to start by adding your services, setting your availability, and customizing your design. And this is going to turn into a block that you can add into Squarespace. So let's just go and get started by creating our bookable services. You can just go and click on that, and you're just going to click on new appointment type or class. I'm just going to go for appointment type, and you're just going to start filling out these information here about the actual service. So what kind of service it is, the description of it, so just more detailed. And you also have more and more things here to start adding. So just go through it and start by adding a proper name to it. Now let's just go and talk about the duration in minutes. It's still in here. Basically here you add the details, here the duration of it. So if it's a haircut, how long would it actually take? And also if you want some minutes before the appointment or after. So there's going to be some buffer time for you to take breaks, or if you just need that kind of time before you start with the next service or, appointment. You're also going to start by adding the price point for this service. And if you want to even add some extras, you can do that, but after you actually create the main one. So once you fill out everything that you need, click on create from the top right corner. So once you actually create your service, which is this one in my case, you can feel free to add add-ons to it by, basically just creating add-ons and selecting the main service, which is this one. Anyways, next up, you're just going to set up your availability. So the days of the week that you're available, and also at what time. This is going to be basically the time that people can actually book you in. So just make sure you add that, properly. So after we're done, we're just going to go ahead and go to pages in Squarespace and decide where we actually want it to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on create new page in the main navigation. And I'm just going to add a blank page. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit now, and I'm just going to add a section. I'm going to go to scheduling within the cell option, and I'm just going to select the first one as an example. And all I need to do now is just select the block itself, click on the pencil icon, click on the content, and make sure that it is all public appointment types. And it's just going to get all the appointments that you have in your Acuity scheduling. So people can now start booking you from this page. Obviously, design-wise, they can also feel free to really play around with that in here as well. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.